Does your morning look like this? There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? With a smart screen, you can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
We've all had that childhood dream of cruising effortlessly on the coolest bikes around, going further than anyone else, faster than anyone else, exploring entirely new places. Hi, I'm Elliot.
And I'm Albert. We developed the Furo Systems X series to bring that dream to life and to show everyone the unexploited potential of electric bikes.
The FX and the SX are ultralight, strong, sleek, powerful bikes with no compromise on style. The X series look just like normal bikes, but their powerful motors get rid of the pain so that you only keep the fun. The SX is equipped with a mid-motor, which allows you to use its 9-speed Shimano gears to their full extent at any power level. This enhances the range of the motor's torque. You will feel as light as a feather going uphill and reach impressive speeds in only a few seconds. Meanwhile, the FX compact rear motor will take you anywhere in a flash, while its 9-speed Shimano gears let you ride it like a normal bike. Our onboard computer is full of smart functionality. It essentially gives you the choice between an effortless glide and a fitness ride. Comfort and control were our top priority in order to make sure that the X series provides you with the best riding experience. There are no secrets here. We equipped our bikes with high-performance hydraulic disc brakes and an ergonomic saddle. We also added front suspensions to the SX so that riding through rough terrain feels like flying over smooth hills. The FX can be fully folded and unfolded in a few seconds thanks to its easy 3-step folding system. It is compact and light enough to literally take it anywhere with you. The SX will take you more than 60 kilometers away. Its battery pack perfectly locks and integrates within the bike's sleek carbon frame. The FX also carries more than 50 kilometers of range in a compact, energy-dense battery that easily and discreetly fits onto the bike. A lot of our design efforts went into integrating wires and electric components in the frame while getting rid of the bulky shapes that made e-bikes notoriously awkward. We tested the X-Series in all environments, all conditions to make sure that you get a bike you trust, a bike that never lets you down.
The X-Series is now finally ready for production. We need your help to bring these incredible bikes to life and reduce production costs.
With your trust and our knowledge and hard work, we will finally release the true potential of electric bikes
To you and the world. So join us, make your commutes a pleasure, your free time an adventure, and help us create a brighter future. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.